Meet Ryan, the project manager for Shopee Malaysia. He has worked under Shopee for 3 years. Ryan used to work as a data analyst engineer in an oil and gas company. However, he job hopped into the internet industry since he preferred to work in a fast-growing industry. Ryan's role is to help the company to be more consistent and reliable by achieving operational excellence. Ryan stated that data is not only limited in answering business problems, it projects a clear direction for the company's growth. In this section, I'm going to talk about the techniques used by Ryan. He mentioned that Shopee's platform is designed so that data is automatically collected when users tap into a link. Whilst doing so, they will analyze the conversion rate to identify which page gained the most traffic. Ryan also mentioned that the process of collecting data is scripted, hence no complicated techniques were used. Before digital infrastructure, people had to physically collect data by surveying. With the integration of digital infrastructure, it is easy to retrieve the data as compared to the conventional way because data can be retrieved directly from the database. In fact, Google actually uses CAPTCHA to help train their AI. In simple words, data is needed to train AI, hence it is important to ensure good quality of data. He mentioned that data filtering is essential to ensure good quality of data. For instance, removing the outliers is one of the methods. Another method is to limit the user input to only a few options. Therefore, the process of cleaning data is easier due to the low variance. In his company, they usually go for SQL because all the data is stored in the cloud and retrieving data via SQL is usually easier. Another technique used by them is by creating a pivot table in Google Sheets to analyze the data. In Shopee, the flow process of data analytics begins with the software engineer to data engineer. Next, data analysts who analyze data and generate insights. Lastly, research engineers, which is only available in Shopee Singapore. Ryan stated that to determine the valuable insight for the company is by identifying the current problem and determining which factor leads to the solution, as there are various factors and solutions to a problem. One of the ways is to apply linear regression testing to determine which factor has more relationship with the result. As the stronger the relationship, the larger the impact on the result. One of the examples Ryan provided is by identifying the percentage of buyers who cancel their order after placing the order. He discovered that majority of the buyers cancel their order within X minutes. As a result, they make changes to the app's functionality, allowing buyers to cancel their orders for a period of time without having to call customer service to do so. Moreover, Ryan had used to improve the business performance of his company is by analyzing the buyer's behavior and the warehouse's heat map. By doing so, he can strategize the inventory management of each warehouse, which increases the fulfillment process. As a result, the percentage of items picked from location A increases after placing all the hot selling items in location A, which improves the logistics efficiency. According to Ryan, a data analyst will be more than happy to deal with large amounts of data. In fact, the more data, the better the result. On the other hand, data engineers are the ones who often face challenges with large amounts of data. An example would be the 99 Shopping Festival, where there will be a large number of users making requests at the same time at 12 a.m. sharp. This leads to a huge load of user requests, which lead to a server failure. The proposed solution by Ryan will be performing a stress test on the server. This is to ensure the server is capable of serving the users. Data-driven decision-making speaks the facts and reduces assumptions. An example provided by Ryan on his recent project with Shopee introducing Shopee Food. He emphasized the need of identifying the number of shops that are available in Klang Valley and categorize them into halal, non-halal, and uncertified halal. Hence, with their data, work can be done in a very logical way with solid facts instead of assumptions. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.